Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about erosion. Erosion is a natural process which causes rocks and soil to break apart. Erosion can be caused by nature or can be caused by people. Erosion has helped to form many interesting features of the Earth's surface, including mountain peaks, valleys, and coastlines. It is usually a slow and gradual process that occurs over thousands or millions of years, but erosion can be speeded up by human activities. Erosion comes from the Latin word erosionem, which means gnawing away. There are many different forces in nature that cause erosion. The three main forces that cause erosion are water, wind, and ice in the form of glaciers. Water is actually the main force of erosion at work on Earth. Water is actually one of the most powerful forces on the planet. Here are some of the ways that water causes erosion. Rainfall. Rainfall can cause erosion both when the rain hits the surface of the earth, called splash erosion, and when raindrops accumulate and flow like small streams. Rivers. Rivers can create a significant amount of erosion over time. They break up particles along the river bottom and carry them downstream. One example of river erosion is the Grand Canyon, which was formed by the Colorado River. Scientists estimate that the Colorado River has been eroding the Grand Canyon for many millions of years. Waves. Ocean waves can cause the coastline to erode. The sheer energy and force of the waves causes pieces of rock and coastline to break off, changing the coastline over time. Sand is made by the gradual process of pebbles being broken up into smaller and smaller pieces by the motion of waves. Floods. Large floods can cause erosion to happen very quickly, acting like powerful rivers. Wind is also a major type of erosion, especially in dry areas. Wind causes erosion by picking up and carrying loose particles and dust away. It also causes erosion when the flying particles crash into the land and break off more particles. Wind erosion can cause huge dust storms. Glaciers are like giant rivers of ice that slowly move around. As they slowly move, they shape mountains and also carve out valleys. As glaciers move, they slowly but steadily pick up loose materials from the ground. Pieces of rock caught on the glacier's surface grind mountain walls and valleys. The fastest glacier ever moved over 7 miles in 3 months. Other forces of erosion are living organisms. Small animals, insects, and worms can add to erosion by breaking up the soil so it is easier for the wind and water to carry away. Gravity. The force of gravity can cause erosion by pulling rocks and other particles down the side of a mountain or cliff. Gravity can cause landslides, which can significantly erode an area. Temperature. Changes in temperature caused by the sun heating up a rock can cause the rock to expand and crack. This can cause pieces to break off over time and lead to erosion. Human activity has increased the rate of erosion in many areas. This happens through farming, ranching, cutting down forests, and the building of roads and cities. Human activity has caused about 1 million acres of topsoil to erode each year. There are things that can be done to limit the amount of erosion caused by human activity. We can plant trees around farmland to protect it from the wind, move herds around so grass grows back, and to plant plenty of trees ourselves to make up for those that have been cut down. Thanks for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
What was
interesting fact. Adventurous kids. Adventurous kids. Adventurous